I was thinking not to post any video today because today was a very irrational day, or I don't know what word to put. Markets were so bad, and yeah, I know we have some positive news. And you look at the US markets. Yesterday, I was not sleep. I was awake till 2 a.m. In the morning, and Dow Jones is up by 2.45%. It was up by the highest point of Dow Jones was yesterday was 723 points, and we are gapping up for around 4%. What is this called? I don't know. I don't know what words to put. This is craziness, really craziness, right? See, look at the markets gapping up around 400 points. Let me take you to Nifty. Yesterday we closed at 16,400, and today we are gapping up at 16,800. And then we came to 16,000, went back to 16,800, and from 1:30 till 2 o'clock, just half an hour, you will not believe. You will not believe, yeah. Nifty has moved from 16,650 to around 16,400, 450 levels, and Bank Nifty is much worse. If you see, Bank Nifty has gapped down. Yesterday's closing was 33,850, and today morning it gapped up around 35,200 and went all the way to 35,400. In just half an hour, Bank Nifty is moving around 600 to 700 points. This is absolute craziness, and I don't know, I really don't know what word to put. Markets are highly volatile, and it is very hard to make money in this market. So yesterday I had a straddle, and this shouldn't be happening in the expiry day, right? Yesterday I had a straddle. I think around, if I'm right, I think 16,300 straddle. Yeah, I had 16,300 straddle, and my upper break-even point was around 16,000. Yeah, around 16,800, not 800, around 16,600, 16,300 straddle I had, I think, yeah. 16,300, my upper break-even point was, in not a single straddle, I had double straddle. So markets were rallying, so 16,300, 16,500 double straddle we had with fully hedged position. You imagine what will happen to my position when market is gapping up at 16,800. 16,600 is my break-even point on the upside, and I think 15,800 or 700 was the break-even on the downside. So it has gapped up 200 points away. What do you expect me to do? Nothing, right? And I know, see, even though these markets are volatile, we didn't have big positions. Whatever positions we take, just half of that we took. Because of this volatile uncertainty, we took half of what we usually take. In spite of being cautious also, we lost significantly today. So it like, but what I would say is this is part of the game. That's why I always tell losses are inevitable. You cannot avoid losses. Don't come to comment session and tell me I am making 20%, 25% every month. You can make whatever you want in the dreams, but in reality, it is impossible. And that's what I told yesterday also. Even the biggest or the wisest trader who you think in social media is in loss, heavy loss. So I'm telling from my inner circle. So you can see how low I am talking, right? So that is how markets are behaving. And this is and yesterday also I told you, whatever happening is called sucker rally. We markets may go up, but it is going up just to come on the downside. As I talk to you, Dow futures are down by 300 points, and today we really don't know what is going to happen. Yeah, see, as you see, around 200, Dow is down by 273 points, and S&P, Nasdaq, FTSE is flat, and yesterday German index, I think DAX was up by around 10%. That's a impressive comeback. But things are, people tell, when I told yesterday that Europe is going to issue bonds and this and that, they told no, this is not the thing. Ukraine has told that they have no intention in joining NATO, but that is not a confirmed news. Even now, I'm telling you, Ukraine, Russia has not de-escalated. War has not de-escalated, and today I think elections result has come out, and I think BJP is retaining UP. That is a good sign. But other issues are there, and this FIA people, buggers, FIA buggers, I don't know when they are going to stop and when they are going to stop killing us. I'm sure today also they would have told. Actually, this is a good opportunity for them, right? Whenever market goes up, they jump in and sell as much as possible. Yeah, FIA data has not yet come out. Even yesterday, in spite of market shooting up, they have sold for 4,818 crores, and DAs have bought for just 3,275 crores. And who is taking the market on the upside? There is no doubt retailers are moving the market on the upside. Yesterday also they have moved the market on the upside, and today's gap up also is because of retailers. And going forward, I think markets may come down. So this is all what knee-jerk reaction or sucker rally, whatever I told yesterday, this is what is happening. In spite of, and one more thing I will tell you, in spite of being cautious, in spite of being not taking heavy position, in spite of not going on the normal positional sizing, we were down by half the position size. In spite of that, market has punished us drastically. So this is very bad. Anyway, bad in the sense, see, everything cannot go in the right direction, right? I have seen losses many times, but losses are recoverable. We can recover the losses. At the same time, losses are inevitable. You cannot avoid the losses, right? So we'll see how things pan out, and no use of seeing this open interest and this all kind of nonsense. What is the use of seeing open interest? You don't mistake me, but the way market behaved today, I was really frustrated. So much of stress, I thought I will break my laptop. So that is the kind, see, just that is what, when you are like, you don't know what is going to happen. You are sleepless, you are having sleepless night, and immediately markets are overreacting. Why do we have to overreact? I don't know, really don't know. That's what I told. US markets are up by just 2.4%, such an advanced market. And the good news is for Europe and America. There is no good news or bad news for us. Of course, we have bad news because of increasing oil prices, and I'm sure. I think I have to go and take my car and fill my tank. So tonight or tomorrow morning, first thing they are going to increase the petrol price. Maybe it will come to 110 or 115. I really don't know, but that is going to happen, right? So that's what is happening every time. When before election or till election results come out, they don't increase the petrol price. Once the election results are over, they increase the petrol price, right? So we don't have to go into politics. We will just stick to our plan. So that now the plan is, now that we have severely injured, I think we will not trade anymore for this month. So anyway, I will end of this month, I will show my profit or loss, whatever we made. Obviously, whenever all these days when we made loss, when we made profit, we showed our account, and this month we made a loss, also we will show the account, our account. So, and I will also tell you, many people's, you go and check Twitter, and I follow many traders. most of them, around 95% of them have lost money. No, this is not a joke, but markets are markets are very volatile. See, the why I am laughing or why I am joking is because I know this is just temporary. The pain whatever we are going through is just temporary, and this will we will recover as soon as possible. So that's what I can say. So nothing much. Take care. Bye.